Open any browser, Google search box to type like that, and go to this first URL asus.com, this official website. So just click on it. After that you can see this is 2025. If it is old, so no worry, because driver it is same. Just click on it, then click on support, then click on driver and download. You can see this is also model number there. Okay, so select operating system, Windows 11 64-bit. If you are using Windows 10, so no problem, you can install it, it will support and install it. Okay, slow down. Graphic driver, show all the driver. So this is NVIDIA graphic driver, NVIDIA, NVIDIA control panel applications, Intel graphic, Intel graphic control center applications, display. So which you have to require, you can install it, but you install, if you have NVIDIA graphic, you can install this one, Intel. This is basic driver. So I have to recommend, so install this is NVIDIA and just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. You can see it is start, and this is size, you can see 1.16 GB. So it is completed, then just single click to open. Then click on yes, click on OK, then click on next, I accept, then next, then select the install, then click on next, next, and install. Now this is display driver, it is installing. You can say display driver, graphic driver, monitor driver, you can say. Then it is completed, then restart it your system.